From math class you remember the classic operators plus, minus, multiply and divide. There are two other interesting operators that we are going to look at in this video: power and square root. Let's start with power. A power has two parts, base and exponent. Let's make a calculation with base 2. And with the power operator, the double asterisk followed by the number 3, we tell Python to multiply the number 2 by itself 3 times. Let's check the result. This would be the same as writing 2 times 2 times 2. Let's check the result, and that's 8 as well. But when the exponent grows, this way of writing would increase the probability of errors. For example, if you would write 2 to the power of 14, it would be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 7 times. Let's copy this to make it 14. So when we execute this is where writing 2 to the power of 14 of course makes much more sense. Now let's have a look at square root. The mathematical counterpart of powers are roots. Roots are mainly divided into the categories square roots and all the others. In this example we will use square roots. Unfortunately, the Python developers did not use a symbol to calculate the square root, but we can calculate the square root if we import the math module. I'll explain importing and modules in a future video. All you need to know for now is that we can use things from math, like the square root function. Let's print the square root of 9, which is 3. Let's calculate the square root of 46, which is 8. And let's do one more. We calculate the square root of 100, which is 10. The result of a square root calculation, of course, can also be a floating point number. If we, for example, take some arbitrary number like 77 and I calculate the square root, we will see that the result is a floating point number. Adding powers and square roots to your toolbox gives you some extra ways to calculate numbers in Python.